Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be breaking down how unlimited context AI reasoning system actually work. You have probably heard the claims like AI with unlimited context, but what does that really mean? So the traditional AI models have something that is called a context window. This is the amount of the text and the information the AI can process at one time. Once that limit is crossed, the model starts losing earlier details. That's why the older systems struggle with the long documents, books, or the extended conversations. The unlimited context reasoning system solves this problem with smarter design rather than just the bigger memory. So first they use chunking. Instead of feeding everything at once, the system splits the large inputs into the smaller pieces. Each piece gets processed individually and the important information gets extracted. Second, they rely on the memory layers. The key details, the summaries, and the facts are stored outside the model in the structured memory. So this works like the long-term storage instead of the short-term recall. The third thing is retrieval plays a major role in it. When the AI needs to reason, it doesn't reread everything. It searches its memory for the most relevant information and only pulls back what's needed. The hierarchical reasoning helps manage the complexity. So the system builds multiple levels of understanding. It may summarize the sections first and then create the higher level concepts and finally reason using those concepts. So the term unlimited context doesn't mean the AI literally reads infinite text at once. It means that the system intelligently organizes, stores, and re-retrieves the information so that it can reason over extremely large data without losing the coherence. In simple terms, it's not about the raw memory, it's more about the smart information management. So if this video helped you understand the unlimited context AI reasoning in a clear way, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.